very good day, children. Now, today we will be doing a continuation of the chapter Adjectives, and that continuation is Degrees of Comparison. Now, before we go into this chapter, let us make a quick revision of adjectives. Adjectives tell us more about noun, okay? Now, degrees of comparison means when we are comparing something, okay, some adjectives, then that is called degrees of comparison. Let us understand this with an example. Look at this ball. Ball A, ball B, and ball C. Now, A is a big ball, right? Now, A is a big ball. Here, the adjective is big. It is describing about the word ball. See, the adjective is big and it is describing the word ball. So here we are not comparing the ball, right? Now let us see the ball A and B. Here you see B is bigger than A, right? So here the adjective is bigger. The two things are being compared, ball B and ball A. The comparison is big. The adjective that we are using for comparison is big. So notice this, when two things are compared, the adjective becomes er. You add er to that adjective, bigger. Okay. Now look at this ball C. This is the biggest of all the balls, right? C is the biggest ball. So here we are comparing the third ball with all the balls. So this is another degree of comparison. When we are comparing the whole thing, in the adjective we add est, right? So from this example, what we are learning? There are 3 degrees of comparisons. Okay. The first one is positive degree, the second one is comparative degree, and the third one is superlative degree. Right? In positive degree, there is no comparison. Here, see this. A is a big ball. Here, we are not comparing A to any ball. Right? So, this is called positive degree, and the normal adjective word is written. It's a normal adjective word. Okay? Now, comparative degree is there is comparison between two. Look here. B is bigger than A. You are comparing ball B to ball A. Two things are compared, okay? So, how you will know that it is a comparative degree? The word than will be written, okay? See here, than. This word than is written, okay? And two things are compared. Then it is comparative degree. And the third thing is the word ER will be written. Look here, the word ER will be written. Now the third one is the superlative degree. Here the comparison is between more than two, among many. Okay. The word the will be there. See here, the word the will be there, and C is compared to all the other things, among all. Okay, the highest, the maximum comparison. And the word est is added to this word. Okay, see this. Now, let us see some examples. Positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree. Let us take the first example, short. Here, it is means that it is not compared to anyone. Comparative degree, shorter, means comparing between two. And superlative degree, shortest, means the maximum comparison. Okay. Tall, taller, tallest. Now look at this example. Beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. Now how is that? Because we never say beautiful, beautifuler, beautifulest. That is wrong, okay? So there are some words, some adjective words where you do not add er or est. Instead, you use more and most, okay? Again, more is used when you are comparing two, and most is there when you compare more than two. See, two, more than two. Okay? Now, good, better, best. You don't say good, gooder, goodest, right? So, you use good, better, best. Okay? When you are comparing two, you use better. When more than two, it is best. Okay. Now, bad, worse, worst. Bad is there when there is no comparison. When you are comparing two, you do not say better, you say worse. And when you are comparing the maximum, it is called worst. Okay. So, see, the chapter is interesting. Adjective was more interesting, and comparison of degree is most interesting. You don't say interestinger or interestingest. You say more interesting, most interesting. Right? I hope it was interesting.